Hello everyone, this is an introduction video for me. Hope you can know me more with this. I'm Michael from China. I have been a freelancer for over 2 years. I'm an experienced SEO manager, SEO specialist, WordPress website developer, and Google SEM specialist. If you are looking for someone to help you build a website, get more traffic with SEO or SEM to get a list or sales, I can be your best partner. Uh, Becoming a SEO specialist or marketing director is not easy. I took years to do it. I majored in business English in college and worked as a product content writer and editor in Amazon department for a big company after the graduation. After the months, I knew if I keep doing this job, I won't get what I wanted. So I quit and joined to the another small company to work for the digital marketing. I told myself website design, building, optimization by the internet. During that time, I've been better step by step and finally work as a digital marketing director. And I successfully built multiple website projects from scratch for this years. The project niche including the steel, lighting, welding consumables, forings, and kegs, and so on. You can check some data and project descriptions in and details in my Upwork profile. And a new guide for the Upwork. If you are looking for someone, if you are looking as professional SEO, WordPress developer, or Google SEM specialist to take your business to the next level, feel free to connect with me. Thanks.